Hello, my name is Adam Youst, Alumni Advocacy Director for the University of Minnesota Alumni Association. Welcome to this brief video tutorial where I will discuss using Twitter to advocate for the University of Minnesota. Why are we discussing Twitter and advocacy? We know that 86% of Minnesota legislators use Twitter. Legislators use this platform to stay informed, express viewpoints, and remain in contact with constituents. This tutorial will cover how to follow a state legislator's Twitter account, how to tweet directly to them, retweeting positive news about the university, how to directly message a legislator, and liking a tweet. However, this tutorial will not cover creating a Twitter account. If you do not already use Twitter, visit twitter.com to sign up. First, I'm going to follow Governor Walz's Twitter account. By searching @GovTimWalz, I will navigate to his own Twitter page. From there, I will click on this blue button. Now, whenever Governor Walz tweets, his posts will appear in my newsfeed. Now I will tweet to my state legislator. By clicking on tweet, I'm going to insert this message. Note that I'm using my representative's Twitter handle, as well as a couple useful hashtags, UMNProud, as well as MNLedge. These hashtags will make this tweet more searchable and discoverable. It also includes a link to a university news story. Next, I'm going to retweet a positive news story about the university while tagging my state senator. First, I'm going to navigate to the official Twitter page of the University of Minnesota and scroll down to this tweet. Here, as I click the retweet button with a comment, I can insert a personalized message that includes my senator's handle, as well as the hashtags UMNProud and MNLedge. Another way Twitter can be used to contact your legislator is by using direct messages. Only when you follow each other will this icon appear, and you're able to send a message privately between each other. I can also connect with a state legislator via Twitter by clicking this heart icon on their tweets. Remember, to be more impactful on Twitter, follow the accounts of your state senator, state representative, and Governor Walz. Tweet and retweet your legislators by tagging them. Use key hashtags like MNLedge and UMNProud. This will help users to discover and search your tweets more easily. Social media can be negative in our politics, so do stay positive in your Twitter posts. Maintain a Twitter relationship year-round. See what your legislator tweets about and what you can learn by engaging with them throughout the year. Finally, consider joining Minnesota 201, the Alumni Association's advocacy network. Visit umnalumni.org/MN201. Before I go, I would like to thank our Alumni Association members and donors for making initiatives like alumni advocacy possible. Visit umnalumni.org for more information. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Here's my contact information. Do reach out if I can assist you in any way to advocate for the university using Twitter. The Alumni Association has posted Twitter advocacy resources at umnalumni.org/tweet. On this webpage, alumni can find even more information and directly look up Twitter accounts for their state legislators. And remember, please forward any feedback from your Twitter relationships with your elected officials. I hope to see your tweets in the near future. Thank you.